Here's a light and fresh salad idea. We start with fresh spinach, these nice little sexy microgreens, and fresh flat leaf Italian parsley. I like to use ice water to wash greens. The cold water helps them become nice and crisp. Wrap the greens in paper towels and place in a colander. I'm going to refrigerate this while I round up the rest of the ingredients. Place some sliced almonds on a baking sheet. Toast in a 400-degree oven until they're golden brown. This brings out the natural nuttiness in the almonds. Allow the almonds to cool to room temperature. Slice some red onions, button mushrooms, and hearts of palm. These are hearts of palm, the actual growing bud or heart of a baby coconut or peach palm tree. In Florida, heart of palm is called swamp cabbage. Heart of palm have a unique taste and are great in salads. Serve this salad with my grapefruit vinaigrette dressing, which we make with an egg, red wine vinegar, fresh basil, garlic, vegetable and olive oil, and fresh squeezed grapefruit juice. Add all the ingredients to the greens and pour the dressing over the salad. Toss and plate. Garnish the top with more toasted almonds and hearts of palm. Serve with goat cheese bruschetta and Burgundy poached pears on the side for garnish. This is a great salad. I'm Peter Harmon, the Food Guru. If you like this recipe and want to print a copy, come to foodguru.com where you can experience the world's first video cookbook. My video cookbook makes learning to cook quick, easy, and fun. Most cookbooks use only written instructions. Try to write instructions for how to roll an egg roll sometime, and you'll get the idea. My video cookbook combines 3 powerful ways to learn: pictures, written recipes, and videos. I'll walk you step by step through each recipe in only 90 seconds. The video cookbook is different from other cookbooks because it will continue to grow. Each week, we'll add new recipes, tips, and tricks. Your free membership allows you access to this week's 7 featured recipes, which are usually seasonal and current. Select the recipe, print the instructions, and watch the quick 90-second video. These recipes will change weekly, and you'll have access to this free recipe section as often as you like.